Walkinshaw Group's had over 30 years design, engineering, manufacturing experience in that low-volume niche market. We've since migrated to the remanufacturers from left to right-hand drive, but we still play in that really highly desirable product, and we enjoy working with our OE partners to bring niche, aspirational vehicles to life.
I've been working here at HSV for 15 years, and even before that I worked for Tom Walkinshaw Racing in the UK designing HSVs from over there.
Engineering design takes around 18 months and typically around 450 to 600 new parts are put into each new program.
Hi, my name's Trevor Brallen. I'm Chief Engineer here at Walkinshaw Automotive Group. I lead a group of 65 in our engineering facility here. My role is to ensure that the components that are fitted on the truck are designed and validated to meet all of the Australian regulations. All of our components are validated and tested to OEM specifications.
Our suppliers are all automotive OEM suppliers. We source these guys from Australia, Europe, America and Asia, and we rely on automotive expertise in our supplier base to assist us here with our quality control here at Walkinshaw.
As part of making full volume compliance on our remanufactured truck, we're required to do full seat and seat belt anchorage testing. The ADR says that you're allowed to have a certain amount of displacement at each of the anchorage points on the chassis for a period of time. If you go over that anchorage point deflection, you're required to then readdress that design and retest.
The Walkinshaw facility is on a designated site. It's got 3 buildings. It's got about a 6,500 square metre engineering facility. We've got a 15,000 square metre manufacturing facility, and we've got another 4,000 square metre storage facility. Our facility has 3 lines and they can run 24 hours of 3 shifts, so our capacity is in excess of 30 cars per day. Since a lot of the larger OEMs have withdrawn from the Australian market, the Walkinshaw Group has been investing in technology to in-house a lot of our engineering controls. So we've got a 7 or a 4-post test rig. We can do a lot of end-of-life and fatigue testing in-house ourselves. Our quality process and structure is really important to us here at Walkinshaw. It's not just about the end-of-line check, it's actually quality right through the build process, and then that consistency time and time again.
Manufacturing process starts with a fully driving truck, comes in, cab is removed, all of the components are removed from that cab, either remanufactured or new components are going to be installed. Components are tagged, stored and reinstalled into the same truck for obvious reasons. All the modules, wire harnesses, airbags need to follow the same VIN number. As the cab moves along the production line, the firewall is cut out, new panels are inserted, all of the components that went to sub-assembly come back in, are installed into the right-hand drive converted cab. Meanwhile, the chassis is running down another production line where it has all of its steering components fitted. Once all of that happens, the converted cab and the chassis are then remarried. A quality assessment is done on that truck for gaps and margins, functionality, defects in paint. That vehicle is then signed off, ready for pickup.
I can see that the large truck market is just growing and growing. We've been a part of it from day one and it's continuing to grow, so it's really exciting. But also now you can go into a dealership and buy a truck, get a 3-year warranty, and you've got service all around Australia. I think that's really important to the consumer. It's been converted by a professional organisation. You can get service, warranty throughout Australia, backed by the OEM.
Walkinshaw's got a fantastic spread of skills. You've got design, engineering, manufacturing, everything that is required to make a vehicle from art to part. Yeah, I think we've got a good ability to cut through red tape and get things on the road quickly.
Walkinshaw is synonymous with performance. Everything from early days of motorsport through to the HSV brand itself. And then now the change in the whole dynamic of the marketplace where the crew cab market is expanding hugely.
Good understanding for automotive. It isn't just technical knowledge, it's just a passion about what you do. That sort of thing you can't teach. Just having that passion and understanding and will to come in and solve problems on a daily basis is important. That's what we do best.